So here's a quick little review on my Harbor Freight titanium flux core welder. So the project I was doing, I had the temperature set to F5 or in between F and G, and the wire speed was set to 10. And my project I was doing was this a tow hitch for my go-kart. It's really heavy steel. I wasn't sure how the welding would come out, how good the beads would look, but as you can see, the weld came out really good, because the consistent bead seemed to have melted really well to the metal piece it was connecting to. I'm not a welder by profession, but I did my best, and I think it'll hold. If you want to look at it, seemed to have pretty good heat transfer down through the metal. So go out and pick yourself up Harbor Freight titanium welder. You won't be disappointed.